I've built several chests of drawers, and many of these were done in an early stage of my woodworking. Now, I used some standard styles such as Chippendale and Shaker for these early chests of drawers, and they all had the conventional flat fronts, no shapes. Well, early this year I was going through some of my books and I noticed this particular piece in a Hayward book, and it has a serpentine front. Well, I hadn't done a serpentine shaped chest before, and it looked like quite a challenge, but I wanted to do it. That canted corner, how does that work? The bracket feet, how do they match up with the serpentine and the canted corner? How would I do that carving on the curved surfaces of the feet? And the fretwork, how do I do that? The drawers would be particularly difficult with curved drawer fronts, crotch veneering, and ebony cockbead. I immediately went to work in SketchUp to really sort out the details. Here is the final design package that came from SketchUp with all the details and full-size templates. 36 pages. That's a record for me, but this piece needed that kind of detail. I've captured the shop work in a number of videos on YouTube, and they're in a playlist for the Serpentine chest, and you can view that work on YouTube in my channel, Killenwood. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.